Hello everyone, welcome to my introduction video. My name is Eric Torres and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So for starters, a little bit about me. I am currently a full-time math teacher at Baldwin Park Unified School District. I have been super blessed to be working for this school district. I started as after-school tutor there when I was 18, and I became an avid tutor the following year, and was an avid tutor for a couple years. Then I became a substitute instructional aide, and then I became a permanent aide for 2.5 years, and um, I took, I actually ended up teaching somewhere else once I got my credential, which I got my credential in January at University of Laverne. And on the left is where I actually had my first classroom, which was at Options for Youth. It was an interesting place to work at for sure, but I had a good experience there. Unfortunately, this is the site in Ontario, and back in May, because there was a law called the Shasta Law, and we became effective with this law, and we were forced to shut down our doors. So with that, I ended up going to Options for Youth in Fontana, and it was just a very hard commute for me since I live more towards the west of Fontana. I live in San Gabriel Valley in Covina, and it was a little too difficult for me, and I was currently looking for a job, and there was a position in Baldwin Park Unified School District, and I have been blessed to have been hired at Baldwin Park because of knowing that I've been part of the district for a while, and they've seen my work, I guess, as an instructional aide, and they see me come up since I've been there for a few years now. So it's been such a blessing to be there as a full-time teacher there. This is my first year teaching at a traditional public school. I've taught at charter schools, so San Jose Charter was my student teaching site in West Covina, and also Options for Youth was a charter school. So right now, it's a big adjustment change, adjusting to those 55-minute periods, whereas some charter schools have rotation schedules. So right now, the big adjustments, and right now getting into this master program is also a big adjustment. But I'm actually looking forward to everything, and I always take everything. I like to take the mantle and just go with it and go 100%. I believe that teaching is an art that we have to craft our skill as teachers, and it is a skill that we get better over time. As me as a first year teacher, I admit that I'm not going to be perfect. I'm not going to be the best teacher, but I will always be the best that I can be, and that I'm always willing to learn and willing to grow, which is part of the reason why I am in this course. So in this extracurricular video, or in this slide, I like to go to the gym a lot. I don't have any pictures because I don't want to be have pictures of me sweating. So I do Muay Thai also, and I usually do double workouts where I weight lift and then I do my Muay Thai after. It's really good. I felt like it was a good combination for me. So that's a really something that I do off the side. I haven't been able to do it for the past couple of weeks because I've been adjusting to my job at Baldwin Park. But that's become a new hobby. I've been doing it since for about 6, 7 months now, since or January. I think I can't even count right now. But yes, I've been doing it since January, and I've been loving it since. It's becoming a great workout. I am a huge Dodgers fan, so hopefully they go to the playoffs and hopefully they win the World Series. And yes, I am bitter about the World Series. So it was a tough one to believe, to take in. Here are some more pictures of my family and friends. As you can see here, that's my mom right there. My dad was in the first slide right here. As you can see, this is actually my parents and I. We went to go see Fluffy Gabriel Iglesias in Laughlin. If you haven't been seen him live, I recommend you go see him. He's hilarious. It was probably one of the most favorite stand-up comedians acts I've ever seen in live. So yeah, a picture of my friends. These are some of my friends of Laverne that I graduated with, and We went to Laverne Night at Dodger Stadium a few weeks ago, and it was a fun night to see everyone, see some old alumni there, and I tend to keep my family and friends, my circle really tight. I tend to, have friends come and go in my life where, we kind of just take separate paths and take a separate career paths, and one thing leads to another. So, I really cherish those family and friends that I have with each other. So, and here on the top corner is my cousin Liz, and that's my brother Nico. My cousin Liz is pretty much like my sister. She serves as my older sister. She's always looking out for me and everything. So I really do cherish the people that I have in my life. They mean a lot to me, and to be honest, as we all can say, the people that are in my life, that have been in my life, I probably would not be there if it was not. I would not be here as a teacher if it was not for them, because they have served me very well, as in for my growth. They served a great purpose, and now I'm here. I'm ready to keep learning. I'm ready to grow, and this is a little bit about me, and I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. So thank you for taking the time to watch it.